Hello YouTube. So I thought I'd bring you guys with me to the junkyard, pull your part yard. It's 55 degrees out today. I thought I'd make a stop by. My brother saw a Scion TC that had a red interior. So he came to go look at it. We're about an hour and a half away from where I live. This is in South Chicago. But I come down here. I found the Scion TRD exhaust came out of here. I found Jeep pucks for like lifting your WJ. The Alcantara suede seats from the Scion TC 4.0 release series. You can find rims. I don't care for the tires here, but if you need rims, you can find a rim here. The Scion, when it got hit, we bought the door, the rocker cover, bunch of stuff you can find here. And I like this location because there's a lot to choose from, but also because it's paved. And I always, of course, wear the wrong shoes when I go, but this location is paved. So this should be row 29. I'm looking for an Altima like mine because I want to see if they actually keep the exhaust manifold intact, because they say they charge $35 for the exhaust manifold. But in my Altima, the exhaust, there it is. My generation, the entire catalytic converter and everything is inside of that exhaust manifold. So we have base model, you can find hubcaps if you need a hubcap. Oh, somebody already took it. But yeah, I was looking for basically how this comes off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. We'll pop this off, and it goes onto the exhaust. Okay. But yeah, like this is what you can come down and find down here. Use another Altima, for example. It's not the same one as mine, but chopped off too. If I'm not mistaken, I think they chop them off most of the cars. Like this Honda's still intact. Oh fuck. Let's see. This Altima, or this Maxima is still intact, but you can come here to find a bunch of stuff. You want seats for your Altima? Is your driver's seat torn? You can find one. You want to see some guys' photos? Sure. Find one. You want a new... Oh, we got the Scion steering wheel from here. You can get one. If you want, like, if you have a bummier version and you want, like, the nicer seats or a better condition seat, you can find one. But we're going to continue on. We're currently in the Nissan, like, section. We're going to move our way, or make our way down to the section with Jeeps and see what they have for like the Jeeps. But I'll walk you guys with me. But we used to have one of these these Maximas. Got destroyed in a car accident 6 months after owning it. It's brand new. But this location's awesome because the road, it's all paved, right? So you're not jumping through mud or dirt. There's some water here and there, but it's not a big issue. Just move around it. Old Benz, carnage, smashed cars. I've been to other locations where they don't put the cars up like this. Now, again, it's still, you gotta be careful climbing under a car, but they do try their best. So what I do when I want to look at a car is I just give the car a good shake and see if it'll move. Like that Maxima, I probably wouldn't go under that Maxima. It's already sitting on an angle. But yeah, I have a bunch of stuff here. Now, I personally, when I come through here, is I walk not in front of the cars, but behind them. Usually in front of them, the hood's torn up, everything's torn up in the front, and it's harder to tell what you're looking at. But when you come from the back, as you can see, you can get a way better glimpse of what you're looking for. We have another Maxima. rims. Camry. Good Beamer over here. Benz. Look at that. Look at this Benz. Ooh, even that door opening feels nice. Yeah. Those little extra speakers in there. This is beautiful on the inside. Even for an old Benz, it's still nice. Even for a junkyard Benz, it still feels nice. We're gonna make our way down here. They have carts you can grab. If you need cheap mods, cheap repairs, budget repairs, or if you're looking for something random, here's another Altima. Perfect. Ooh, this one has the black leather. So like if I need like a tail light or a headlight or something, I could come here and grab one. This one has the black leather seats. Bose sound system. If I needed a replacement speaker. This one's fully loaded. Oh, this one has a black knob. Seat's seen some better days. That center console's fucking disgusting. Airbag went off. But it's nice to see it was still on the road for a little bit before it crashed. Oh. Back seats are in pretty good condition. Again, like if you needed a seat or something, you could pull one off. Oh, somebody stole the entire engine out of this. They have lifts for pulling engines here. Everyone's pretty nice here, so we're entering the Ford area, by the way. But everyone's pretty nice here. I've helped people pull parts. People have helped me pull parts. Got a couple Mustangs. My brother got 2 spoilers. One for his Scion, a black one that matched his car he installed, and we got one for a newer generation Scion, a TC2. Oh, we got a Mercury Villager here, just like ours. Nice. Oh, Stinger rides like a piece of shit. Yeah, we're entering the Ford. It goes forward and then Chrysler. It's a decently big yard. Trucks are on that side. SUVs are on that side. Most of them. Some of them are still here. You see the carnage. This is a mix of. Holy shit. Nice. So this I mean by that, some cars will actually fall off the red interior. Will fall off the stand. That one like slid off. Got a Fiesta. If you need a Fiesta rim, just nice stuff. You got a Mustang over here. Let's go walk up to this Mustang. Again, some of them are smashed. Some of them aren't smashed. They just died. They do have newer cars here too. So if you need. Look at this. Somebody literally lopped off this entire front end. Whatever. 1989 Mustang. Those look like brand new taillights. And honestly, if you want to make a business out of this, you could. Just take a little video to make a YouTube short out of that. Look at this. Imagine you're sitting in this car. Oh wait, hold on. The reason why I came around here is these seats usually. Look at this. If you don't have a Dodge Dart and you didn't know, or if you have a Dodge Dart and you didn't know, now you know. You have a little storage down there. Anyway, somebody got freaking clobbered in this. Nice SRT room though. Let's look at the inside and see how far that seat got pushed. Oh yeah. There's nothing left of that seat. The seat is there. It's right there. Imagine you're sitting there. You just got annihilated. What was that say? Got another Dodge Dart over there. We got some more. This one might have a full set of Dodge rims. Might have a full set. No, we only have 2 of them. But if you find stock sets, yeah, you can build an entire set. Bunch of Grand Caravans and minivans. There's another WJ over here. Let's look at this one. So if I needed a rim, I could get a rim off this one. If I wanted to install fog lights, I can pull the fog lights off this one. No lift. Nice. Well, yeah, this is basically what I do when I go to the junkyard. I look for cars that I have, or I know buddies have, or like something I could just pull from a car. That I could pull for pennies on the dollar, and I could get rid of. Entrance is over there. They have a bunch of other tires and rims over there, so if you don't find what you want on one of these cars, you can pull it off. If you plan on pulling off like tires and rims, I would highly advise that you bring battery powered tools with you, impacts or whatever, because since these cars are all up in the air, it's kind of hard to get the torque that's needed to take the rims off. It's a Chevy area. Yeah, this is what I do. I just walk through. This guy's missing the entire top. If you need small stuff, tail lights, third brake lights, Chevy Equinox, and for some cars, since companies like use the same parts from car to car, if you don't find what you need on, say, a Chevy Astral, you'll find it on a GMC Safari. If you don't find it on a Trailblazer, you'll find it on a Jimmy. Trackers, HHR, bunch of Cadillacs. There's a Lucerne. Whatever you guys need, you can find here. And this is a big lot. They use so many options. So many options. Pull one taillight off one car, pull another taillight off another car, pull a headlight off this one, pull a seat out of that one, pull a passenger seat out of the next one. Bunch of Chevys here. But yeah, this is the LKQ South Chicago. Oh, look at this. Folded in half. Folded in half. Oh, it crunched right there. Look at that. Frame rot. Yeah, be safe when going under these cars. Be smart. If it doesn't feel right, if it feels like a little wiggly, if you give the car a shake and it shakes too much, it's not worth climbing under to save a few bucks. Be careful touching things, don't cut yourself. If you open a door, close it. So that water doesn't get in and damage the rest of the interior. Don't break stuff. Don't throw stuff on the floor. Kind of like common etiquette. We got some GMC trucks over here now. Suburbans. Suburban. E350. Somebody cut an entire panel out of that one. See, like this one kind of fell off. Entire panel cut out. There's a freaking couch in this one. Okay. There's some clothes in there. That's kind of sus. Oh, it stunk in there. Whew. Oh, yes. We're getting towards the end now. Ooh. Look at this. New headlights are on this too. 1986 Ford F-150. Somebody got what they needed out of this one. Z71 Avalanche. Oh, these are the trucks with the back. Yeah. Back glass pops out and then it opens up. Cool. Bunch of Suburbans here and Tahoes. But yeah, this is what I do. I come down to the junkyard and find what I need and take what I want. Thanks for tuning in. I thought you guys, I would take you guys on a run with me. Oh, pedophile man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yum. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys.